Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Today, we're showing you how to change your language settings in Yahoo Mail. This lets you customize your interface quickly. First, open your web browser to mail.yahoo.com. Log into your Yahoo Mail account. In your inbox, find the Settings gear icon. It's usually in the top right corner. Click this gear icon. A menu appears. At the bottom, you'll see More Settings. Click More Settings to open a new tab with full Yahoo Mail settings. On the left side, click Mailboxes. This shows your linked email accounts. Select your primary Yahoo Mail address. After clicking, scroll down. You'll find a Languages section. A drop-down menu is next to it. Click this menu. A list of available languages will appear. Choose your desired language for your Yahoo Mail interface. Once selected, Yahoo Mail usually applies the change automatically. You might sometimes click Save or a Done, but it's often instant. Your Yahoo Mail interface will refresh. It will now display in your new language. Updating your language preference in Yahoo Mail is simple.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.